Hi dear customer. Now I'm showing how you'll send me money by Western Union. At first search Western Union in Google and enter into the Western Union website. Click Register to register an account. Type your first name, last name, email address and create a password for Western Union. Tick mark on this button and press Continue. Now you have to verify your account with your email. Click on this Request Code button. You'll get a verification code in your email. Paste that verification code into the box and submit. Your account will ready in a few seconds. Here you have to select the receiver's country to Bangladesh. Type the amount you want to send me. Scroll down and select Mobile Wallet option. Choose how you want to send the money and press Continue. Press Accept. Select Add a new receiver option. Type my first name, middle name, last name, my email address as showing in the video. Choose bKash in the Wallet Service Provider option. Type my bKash account number here. I'll give you all these informations in massage. Select Purpose of Transaction to Family Support / Living Expense. Give your source of funds to salary and select the relation to receiver to purchaser / seller. Press Continue again. Enter your card information and type billing address. Then continue. Now complete your profile with giving your phone number, date of birth, nationality, gender. Tick mark on this box and press Continue. That's it. Here is the receipt copy. Send me a screenshot of the receipt copy. After getting payment I'll start your work. Thank you.